Hey there, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can reduce your GPU temperatures just by using a little software program like the MSI Afterburner. So you will need to download this program. I'm going to leave the link to it down in the video description. Just get this program downloaded, install it, and you will be able to see a window like this. You can obviously change the skins. There are options. So in the user interface, there are multiple skins that you can go for, but that is not important. The important thing is you will need to do some changes here in order to make your graphics card run cooler. So the very first thing you can do, and probably the very basic thing that you can do, is just uncheck this auto button here and just take this slider all the way up to 100% and click apply. By doing so, the fan speed of your GPU is going to go up to its maximum 100% fan speed, and once you hit apply, it is going to run at that particular fan speed. So let me show you that. So let me find the fan speed here. So currently my fans are completely off. You can see 0 RPMs here. If I'm going to hit apply, you can see the fan speed has been turned to its maximum 100% fan speed right now, and my PC has become a little noisy. Now if you want to change it to its stock state, just simply hit reset, and this is going to reduce the fan speed to 0 again. This is going to work for both the GPU manufacturers, Nvidia and AMD. In my case, I'm using the GeForce RTX 2060. So this is how you increase the fan speed, and in this way your GPU is going to run significantly cooler, especially while gaming. So if you don't want to mess around with the fan speed graph that I'm about to show you in the upcoming part of the video, you can simply just uncheck this auto button, increase the fan speed to its maximum, hit apply, and then you can start playing a game. In that way, your GPU is going to stay as cool as possible. Obviously, this is going to increase the noise in your case. It is going to be a difficult time for you to game if you are in a very silent environment. So if you are someone who is into increasing the fan speed in a more conservative way, then you can do this. So reset it and then go to settings. And here in settings, you can go to the fan section. Now you will need to check this enable user defined software automatic fan control, and then you can make some changes in the graph. So this is a graph relating fan speed percent with the temperature. So you can make changes here. So let's say my current GPU temperature is 48C. So if I want my fan speed to stay at about 20%, then I can do the changes here. I'm going to take the temperature and the fan speed to about 25%. So at 48C, when my GPU is running at 48C, my fan speed is going to turn to 25%. This is what it says. I'm going to show this to you right now. So if I'm going to hit apply, my GPU fan speed is going to turn to 25%. So you can see the fan speed is at 25% as soon as I hit apply. You can also see the fan RPM. Currently my fan is running at about 1000 RPM. So you can make the changes accordingly, and this is going to be really useful if you want to set a custom fan curve. Generally GPUs don't come with aggressive fan curves, and that creates a little problem when it comes to the temperatures while gaming. So you can set a custom fan curve. This is going to make sure that your GPU's fan speed increases when you're playing a certain game or putting a certain amount of GPU workload on your graphics card. So you can increase this fan speed a little aggressively. Now, in order to do that, you will need to click these small dots, these small square dots that you can see. Now let's play with this graph a little and let's set a custom fan speed curve. So at 40%, I want my GPU fans to run not any higher than just 20%. So yeah, 23%. So as soon as my GPU hits 40 Celsius, this is going to make sure to turn the fan speed to its 23%. Then I want my GPU fan speed to increase up to 50% as soon as I hit a temperature of 60 degrees. So when my GPU is going to hit 60 degrees, the fan speed is automatically going to go up to 50C. Then for the last value that we are going to set, I'm going to increase the fan speed all the way up to 85% when my GPU temperature hits about 75C. So this is a little aggressive fan curve because the GPU that I'm using is not having a big cooler on it. So keeping it cool under 80C is a little problem. So I have set a little aggressive fan curve, but in your case it could be different. And if you have a big GPU, if you have a GPU that consumes a lot of power, if you don't have a big cooler on it, then surely you will need to use an aggressive fan speed curve to make sure that your GPU runs cool. So this is how you reduce your GPU temperatures by using MSI Afterburner. This is a free utility that you can download. I've already left the link to it down in the video description. You can check it out. Thank you very much for watching. This is all I have for you in this video. Do comment and let me know what are your thoughts on using this program. In case you have any questions or queries, make sure to leave them down in the comment section and I will talk to you in the next video.